Hello and welcome to the video. Today we are talking about the Rolex Oyster Perpetual green dial, and I have it here in front of me. Let's unbox it and show you guys. Obviously we'll give you lots of close-ups, but yeah, bosh, there it is. What a beautiful watch. Now this watch is for sale. It's currently under offer. I'm meeting the gentleman this evening. It is a beautiful watch, 2025. This is the 41mm Rolex Oyster Perpetual green dial with the beautiful baton hour markers. Just absolutely exquisite Rolex. And I would argue that this is the best bang for buck Rolex on the market. Out of all the OPs, the green dial is my favorite of the current selection, although Watches and Wonders is happening today, and they've just released a pistachio colour and a beige colour. They've done away with the celebration, but they've kept the green, and then obviously there's the blue and the black and the silver. Can't wait to see a beige OP and a pistachio OP, but from looking at them online, this green is still my favourite because this is the Rolex green. Look at that, it matches the box. This is Rolex's colour. And there's not many Rolex watches that really have this dial colour. There's one Day that has this sort of colour. But other than that, I'll just pull out here the card just to get the reference number for you guys. The reference number is 124300. I think, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think the models that they've released at Watches and Wonders, they've updated the serial number for the OPs. So if you get a newer OP, from now on it will have an updated serial number, but ultimately it's the same watch. I think it's just because they've updated the colours on the other models. But yeah, let's put it on the wrist, see how it fits. Really do like this. Every part of this watch is brushed stainless steel except for the bezel, which is polished. It's that sort of dome bezel, but I just love the simplicity. If you were to purchase this from Rolex, it would cost you about £5,600. On the grey market, looking at how much they sell for in England and Dubai, there's only one for sale that's 2025 in Dubai, and they wanted £8,000. In England, it's a little bit less, 7,700 for a 2025 model of the watch. So they trade over retail, which a lot of Rolexes don't do at the moment. But obviously, you guys who watch the channel, you know the watches that I have. I got quite a few, and I've been asking for an OP, not even a green dial, just any OP for ages and ages, and never been offered one. So they're not easy to get, and the reason why they're not easy to get is the price point is quite low. Therefore, there's a lot of people that can afford a £5,000 Rolex. There's a lot less people that can afford a £30,000 Rolex, and so the demand for the OPs is really high, which is why it trades above retail. But it is a great watch, great entry-level watch. The simplicity, but the quintessential Rolex-ness of it. I love the crown on the dial, because with the sports models it's just basically printed on the dial, and it's often smaller, but with this classic model it's sort of more of a silver embossed crown, and it's quite prominent. My wrists are 7 inches, and this watch fits perfectly. If you've just got regular sized wrists, a 41 is perfect. If your wrists are a little bit small, then maybe you could go down a size and try one of the smaller OPs. But the 41 will fit most wrists, and it's definitely a men's watch. It's the cheapest men's watch. Obviously, women can wear it, but when it's a 41mm, it's more likely going to be for a man. But yeah, it's 41mm is a great size, fits lovely. I wish this was mine. I really like it. One day I have to get one. I've been saying in some of my other more recent videos, I've got into the simple, clean Rolexes, like my Explorer one, and some of the other watches that I've had on the channel. I really just like the quality, but also the simplicity. So yeah, and this watch epitomizes that. So great watch. So let's put that to the side for one moment. Just to let you guys know, like, subscribe, leave a comment, and you could have the chance to win the mission to Neptune. Now, someone has just won the mission to Pluto. Omar, you know who you are. Congratulations. Let's go ahead. So he's won the mission to Pluto. I'm going to be giving that to him this evening. Fortunately, it's someone who's based in Dubai, so that makes it easy for me. But it is open to anyone. Here's the mission to Neptune. Now, someone did win this watch, but because they were based in India, I just sent them the money instead of the watch because the tax was going to be like 70 to 100%. And so it just sort of defeats the object of them having to spend money to get a free watch. So I sent them the money instead, hence why I still have this. So yeah, you can win the mission to Neptune. Let's quickly open the box so you can remind yourselves what it looks like. All you got to do is leave a comment, follow my YouTube, follow my Insta as well. Give you more chance of winning. But yeah, you just have to leave a nice comment and you're in with a chance. Now, also quickly, the watches that are currently for sale. So the OP, it's for sale, but it's on hold for someone. But we do have the Yacht-Master here. I did a video about that a week or two ago. Still for sale. Had quite a few messages, people showing interest, some offers, but not quite being able to meet in the middle yet. That is for sale for, I'm asking, 43,000 dirham. Feel free to message me if you're interested. I could maybe knock a tiny bit off that. We also have the GMT Master 2, the Bruce Wayne. This is also for sale. Feel free to message me if you're interested in purchasing this. I need to think about how much I want to charge for that. Message me if you're interested and we'll figure out a price. And then last but not least, also for sale, the Daytona. So let's take the plastic off so you can see it. Also for sale. Beautiful watch. Feel free to message me if you're interested. Message me on my Instagram. That's the best place to message me. Obviously, like, YouTube's not good for messaging because there's no message capability. It's just leaving comments below videos. Yeah, let's put these three watches in a row. So we got the Daytona, the Yacht-Master, and the GMT. So these are the three watches I have for sale. The Daytona, the Yacht-Master, the GMT Bruce Wayne, rhodium dial for the Yacht-Master, black dial for the Daytona. Obviously the GMT's on the Jubilee bracelet. So yeah, if you're interested, please let me know. All great watches. The cheapest one would be the Yacht-Master if you're looking for bang for buck. I could give you a good deal on that. So yeah, Watches and Wonders has just happened. I should do another video on that. Do you know, there's some cool stuff, but nothing set the world alight for me. I think the thing I think is probably the coolest is maybe the left-handed Sprite in white gold with that green dial. I think that's pretty cool. I think the Tiffany dial Daytona in gold, that's going to be popular, but for me it doesn't float my boat. Okay, so yeah, that's all for today's video. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want a chance to win the mission to Neptune. Thank you very much.